retiring. I'm just doing
I was in grade 7.
Jackson and the rest of them were good. But Jack was eager his own. Teacher Ron Carter already knew that, where Jack would belt out tunes on the school stage.
It's a bit like New York. If you can make it down there on that stage, you can make it anywhere.
And Principal Paul Sheeper says his star student is just, well, nice.
You have a humble, well-rounded, grounded